Hello, hello, hello. This is Georgia Coatings by the Bay. And today we have wrapped up a second vehicle for a gentleman, his wife's Land Rover Defender. This got a gold package applied. So we did do a little bit of correction. Even though silver doesn't show much, there were some issues in the paint, especially the black painted areas. We did some touch-up work on. Coating applied to the paint, the glass, the rims, plastics, trim, everything except the rubber. And now this thing is looking beautiful. And it always feels great when a client's coming back for a second time, especially only a couple weeks or less after the first one. Initially, I was just going to help them out, wash and top this. It had a 3-year coating on it. The vehicle's 3 years old. I told them odds were it was going to be pretty flat. Even after an acid wash and all, I'd try to bring it back. My goal's on sales at all times, and so I will put in a clip of kind of what the water behavior was on this vehicle and why he did opt to move forward with a new coating being installed. But this is a beautiful vehicle. And like I said, the full exterior is now protected with ceramic coating. So we do used vehicles as long as they're well maintained, or you're willing to change the behavior that's not maintaining them well, i.e. brush-based washes or something. It doesn't make sense to do paint correction and then you go right back to a tunnel wash. So yeah, if you are looking for ceramic coating in the Appleton, Grand Chute, De Pere, Green Bay, anywhere in the Fox Valley. We are based in Grand Chute, just a couple minutes from Victory Lane. We specialize in new car paint protection. But as I just mentioned, we will work on older vehicles. We have no problems with working on something that's a couple model years old to bring it back to life, and make it look like this again. So send me a text if you'd like a quote. It's going to be 920-659-0023, or you can visit our website, coatingsbythebay.com. All of our prices are transparently listed on nearly every page there, at least 50 instances. Price is not something I hide. Small vehicles will start at $875. Vehicle this size starts at $995. That includes the prep work to get the coating on the paint. So it's not a hidden upsell type process. You can walk in and walk out for under $1,000 for just about any size vehicle. So I would love to talk to you about your new car paint protection. I use car very generally. We do new truck paint protection, new SUV paint protection, whatever it may be. We would love to protect your new vehicle. So again, text me anytime. My name's George, 920-659-0023, or visit the website and you can request a quote or book yourself directly on there, and that's going to be coatingsbythebay.com. But at any rate, I hope you have an awesome day. Look forward to posting the next video.